Today's video is mug cake without egg and oven. So let's begin the oats chocolate mug cake recipe. Ingredients are 2 tablespoons butter, 4 tablespoons oat flour, 2 tablespoons melted chocolate, 2 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder and some grated chocolate which is optional. You can use 1 tablespoon cocoa powder if you do not have melted chocolate. In a mug, add 4 tablespoons of oat flour. You can use all-purpose flour instead of oat flour. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons softened or melted butter, 2 tablespoons sugar. You can add a jaggery instead of sugar. 2 tablespoons chocolate sauce or melted chocolate or 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons of milk. You can add additional milk if required. Now whisk the mixture using a fork until all the ingredients are well combined and looks like a smooth silky batter. The texture of this cake will be a little grainy as we are using oat flour. Now add some grated chopped chocolate. This is optional. You can use dairy milk or skip this entirely. Whisk this until it's well combined. You can add some more milk at this stage if required. Now cover this with an aluminium foil and set aside while we prepare our oats peanut butter mug cake. Peanut butter 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 4 tablespoons oat flour, tutti frutti 1 tablespoon, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. In a mug, add 2 tablespoons peanut butter. You can melt the peanut butter if required. 4 tablespoons of oat flour. You can use maida instead of oat flour. 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use jaggery powder instead of sugar. Feel free to use any sweetener of your choice. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons milk. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more such wonderful recipes. Now add 1 tablespoon of tutti frutti. This is optional. You can add any toppings of your choice. Now whisk them well until it's combined and cover this with an aluminium foil as shown. We are going to bake this using a steamer setup. For that, add some water in a pan. Place a stand to elevate the height. Place a plate and keep the prepared mug cakes. Cover them and steam them for about 10 to 12 minutes in low flame. Open the foil to check only if the cake is baked after 10 minutes. You can also bake this in a microwave for a minute or 90 seconds. Once it's baked, let them cool completely and we will see how to decorate these cakes. I'm topping the peanut butter mug cake with some whipped cream. You can add any toppings of your choice and sprinkle some tutti frutti for the decoration. This cake will have a super nutty and a delicious flavor. Now I've taken a scoop of vanilla ice cream to top the chocolate mug cake. This chocolate mug cake with an ice cream is a super heavenly combination. Now pour the chocolate sauce on top, add some grated chocolate. Our delicious oats chocolate mug cake recipe and peanut butter mug cake with no egg is ready to be served.